Students, let us understand a very beautiful sum based on area of a segment. The question says, a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, where root 3 is equals to 1.7. Let us understand the question with the help of figure. The table cover is circular in shape and it has 6 equal designs. And the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters. So we can write the radius of the quadrant is equal to 28 centimeters. Students, we are supposed to calculate the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. And we know the formula to find the cost is equal to rate into area. So students, if you observe carefully, the rate is already mentioned, which is 0.35 per centimeter square. Let us focus on finding the area of these designs. That means we are going to calculate the area of 6 segments, as you observe in the figure. For that, students, let us calculate or find the area of one segment. So tell me, what is the formula to find the area of the segment? That is segment AXB. Yes, it is area of the sector, that is O dash AXB, minus area of a triangle, that is triangle OAB. Now students, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a sector? Yes, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we have area of the sector as theta upon 360 into pi r square, for which the radius is already known. But we don't have the value of theta. So students, let us first focus on finding the central angle. So we have central angle theta is equal to the total angle, that is 360, divided by the number of parts, which is 6. On further calculations, we have theta is equal to 60 degrees. Students, we have also got the value of theta. So let us write area of the sector O dash AXB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. On substitutions, we have theta as 60 degrees. So 60 upon 360 into the value of pi, which is 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 28 into 28. Let us calculate the terms further. 0, 0 getting cancelled, 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 into 6 times is 36. Further, 7 into 1 times as 7, 7 into 4 times as 28. Also, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. So the terms left are 22 into 2 into 28 upon 3. Further simplifications give us the answer as 1232 upon 3. On dividing these two terms, we get the area of the sector, that is O dash AXB, as 410.67 centimeter square. So area of sector O dash AXB is 410.67 centimeter square. Now students, we have calculated the first part. Let us focus on finding the area of triangle OAB. Now students, this triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So tell me the formula to find the area of a triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Yes, it is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So we write area of triangle OAB is equal to root 3 upon 4 into side square. On substituting the values, we have area of the triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into the value of side is 28. So we have 28 square. This is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 28 into 28. 4 into 1 as 4 and 4 into 7 as 28. The further multiplication gives us the answer as root 3 into 7 into 28. This is equal to root 3 as 1.7 into 7 into 28. So we get the area of the triangle OAB is equal to 333.2 centimeter square. Students, we have calculated both the parts required to find the area of one segment. So we write area of the segment AXB is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. This is equal to 410.67 minus 333.2. The difference between the two terms gives the area of segment AXB is equal to 77.47 centimeters. But students, remember, this is area of one segment, which is equal to 77.47 centimeters square. Now we can calculate the area of 6 segments, which will be equal to 6 into 77.47. This is equal to 464.82 centimeters square. So students, we can now calculate the cost, which is equal to rate into area. So we write cost is equal to rate into area, where rate as mentioned is 0.35 and the area of 6 segments is 464.82. The product of two terms gives the answer as 162.68. So we write the final answer as the total cost of making the designs is 162.68 rupees. Thank you.